Oh yeah. I go downtown. Nah, stop our way. Let's get it, bro. I was looking to pick up the shops every yard. Stop our way. I wonder. Stop wonder. Yeah. It's on my way. Let's get it, bro. They get downtown, bro. But no, it's getting on Vegas stuff. So yeah. I'm trying to say I stop our way. Bro, I was looking at that bullshit, bro. It's funny. On our way. So there on south. Yeah. You'll make it downtown actually. Yeah. On the shop they belong. Stop our way. Wander. Let's get it, bro. Where's the app? Let's wander our way. Let's go Apple. I'm going for an Apple. Let's go Apple so you let's wander our way. Woo! Balance this knee there. Yeah. Bumper die. Yeah. Woo! They about to find a way over there, bro. Yeah. They're gonna go over downtown today. Yeah. Downtown vibes, here I come. Woo! It's up our way. Just wander our way. Woo! Hey, fuck. They get downtown. Yeah. Google Maps gonna take me some bullshit. It's an Apple Maps. BRB. This is funny as fuck. Vampire died too. On our way. Yeah. Let's go back downtown. Yeah, video. Bro, I don't know how long it's gonna take me though. In the field. On our way. On our way. So I'm going, bro. Alright, so. Yeah. I'm gonna go downtown. And yeah. Stop our way. Stop. Stop our way. Woo! Downtown shit, though. Yeah, stop on there. Stop our way. Yeah. Right down to the floor, bro. Stop our way. Stop on there. Stop. Woo. Oh wait, no, Las Vegas. Stop our way. Appreciate it. Wait, where is downtown, bro? Yeah. bro. Damn. Oh, whoa. Oh, shit. For this? Have to look at this. Bro, in the morning for this, bro? Hold up. I gotta get close to that. Oh, this is literally fucking 10 in the morning. This is 10 from. What time is it? It's 10:22, 11:22, West Windover in Clark County. What the fuck, nigga? I'm out here on South Byway. Damn, bro. Bro, I gotta show y'all. It is literally fucking some shit in the morning. This is happening. By the way, this is a channel where I don't do drugs on. This is a vlog channel. Woo! Come on. GDK. I gotta get close. What the fuck happened here? Woo! Step our way. What's I wonder? What's that called, right? You're just walking, right? You leave home at 8 in the morning. Your car get on a Sunday. Your girlfriend goes, "What are you?" This guy gets mad, saying, I'm gonna follow you. I'm gonna come walk with you, but don't come. Yo, ass better walk fast. Fuck me. Oh shit, nigga. Whoa. Nigga, holy fuck. Bro, what the fuck? What's going on down in Las Vegas? Whoa, fo. Bro, they wilding out here. This is not New York, though. My jaw. I gotta show y'all this. This is what I feel like daily. Woo, we gotta get the whole video for this. What the fuck, nigga? Oh, shit. Whoa. Bro, I see this downtown. What the fuck? Alright. That's the video, yeah. Bro, what the fuck happened here now? I see this bullshit everywhere downtown. What the fucking crashes happen in this city every fucking day now? Bro, I can't, bro. What the fuck is going on here, though? Who crashed their car in North Las Vegas in downtown? Bro, what the fuck? There's literally 2 car crashes, and I thought it was a moped, but damn, that's crazy as fuck, though. Damn. What a good day to be downtown in North Las Vegas seeing car crashes. By the way, I'm gonna start one more time. Hey, we're gonna get this thumbnail. Alright, fo. Yeah, we gotta get the thumbnail. This is a bullshit, fo. Y'all want the whole darn thing. Yep, got it. The most boring vlog and POV I ever recorded. I'm telling y'all niggas, it's gonna get boring. Watch these videos. Woo! Bro, I'm not even going to complain. I don't know if y'all want to see videos on YouTube where I just post some YouTube shorts of a car crash. Bro, I be up all fucking day seeing bullshit. And then, what you know I come to? I come across that street. Bro, there's literally a whole crash over there. Fuck. Woo! Bro, this is what I mean. What's up? Oh no. stupid. I'm gonna try to know a little something. I touched my Apple Watch. I don't know what's going on my watch today, but my charger is not really, working pretty well. I had it, I had it charged up. It's not charging up. Fuck, bro. Fuck. I've recharged the whole battery. I don't fucking know about to turn the charger up. I was just gripping my pocket, like just rip it apart. So y'all want to see a video on YouTube where I post on YouTube photos, y'all let me know. I post on YouTube and fucking yeah. I don't know what's going on with my charger today, phone. I'm going to Walmart. Probably, yeah. Another flick. Love y'all watching my video. I'm trying to record this video very well. It's on my way. Hahaha, right there. Right there itself. Woo. Hey, drop. So, you wanna know what's funny, right? If I kiss a gay boy right now, if I kiss a boy that's bisexual, that shit, I don't know. That post on YouTube, I'm gonna keep it real like that. We're gonna do it though. I don't know. The full vlog appeal can be done. What the fuck going on in downtown? No, Las Vegas. If y'all don't know, people are getting arrested and booked in for shit they did. And I'm just witnessing all this. Like nigga, if you go cause a crash, if you're gonna go rob a store this year, what the fuck's so dumb? Bro, I cannot come to us, bro. I cannot walk anywhere without seeing a fucking car crash. Yeah, I see all the way down here, though. Car crash is about big, though. Alright, y'all. That girl, my bestie, she said she's that Biden nigga and just blocked me. Bro, I'm gonna post on the internet. Bro, she literally said a message about Biden nigga and just blocked me. Bro, me and her not talking anymore. I'm not talking to her anymore. She better block me on social media too. I'm done with her, bro. Bro, that was bro. No way. Get it. Everyone knows it's funny though. People can try to cuss me out by calling me a hard R being white. That's not gonna faze me, bro. I won't be laughing. I'm not really gonna simply care about what someone says. That nigga, so someone said nigger. That shit was funny as fuck. Yo, that's one respectful. Bro, she would have something to say the first though. Bro, I'll put her on blast and expose her on the internet from Denmark. I don't give a shit. Bro, I'm not really for the, yeah. Bro, I can literally expose her on the internet right now for her saying that and then post it online. I literally want people just finding her thing and then I would post it on the internet. Low key though. That's literally how I feel nowadays. If I expose on the internet, I'm not holding back for what I expose on the internet today. But that's kind of what I do. It's funny and all. But I'm gonna be laughing forever. Nope, oh boy. This is funny though. I might find some liquor on the ground again. I think I'm gonna take that liquor, it was not broken. This song might do today. I'm gonna get drunk again, so I'm gonna buy 2 beers actually. What's that? Today, where do I go for some beer? I think, right, you need your ID. I think, that's dope. I think again, bro. Oh, wait, I'm gonna see if she blocked me on social media right now. She blocked me on Facebook. I'm gonna see if she blocked me on Instagram. Yeah, BRB. That's funny. Yep. I don't know how boring that sounds today. Oh. What do I get? Oh, wait. No, it's making so Walmart. Should I just buy it?
No!
Buy what? I went past that part. I went past that part where those guys don't at. I'm too fast for this, but yeah. It's really the whole footage. I might just happen to vlog POV point out. But I couldn't stop laughing. I was laughing because the bird. The bird took me out a little bit. I was laughing now. But yeah, I had to leave long for like, I don't know, it's my storage problem. Ha! Yeah.
Wait.
I'm waiting. What is this vlog, POVs and me, boring as fuck to record. I'm not making this long as possible though. I told y'all, I might make the POV songs in a vlog, so y'all might get the, I don't know. Yeah.
Wait.
When I say the people that come from the vlogs, I'm just letting y'all know, because I'm recording these videos, it's going to be hella long getting a vlog yourself. I'm just trying to figure out if I can still record what POV. Because I'm trying to, but it's like my storage capacity, yeah. Discord. I'm like, fucking goofy. Shit. Boom. My kids are cozy. I don't know if I like watching vlogs, but I don't know though. Hey, I told y'all speed walk this motherfucker though. Bro, I'm literally gonna be an alcoholic. That's what I mean. She literally said, "You fucking alcoholic, bro." Nigga, of course I drink beer. What the fuck, nigga? If I was with her right now, if I was shooting videos, right, I would have been drinking beer non-stop out in public in Las Vegas, where you can't even get caught at. Or, yeah, this is what I mean. Nigga, and I get caught a fucking alcoholic. Nigga, yeah, I drink beer.
Wait to cross park.
I don't know. What the fuck I was thinking? My sexual girls get mad and shit. Yo, what I was gonna say, you fucking alcoholic, nigga. Fuck, nigga, yeah, I drink fucking beer and shit, nigga. If I did it, my ass would be tipped right now. I would drinking like 85 coffees non-stop. Fuck. Bro, all I do is buy fucking beer. I buy soda too. Maybe I need it though. But yeah. Bro, I don't give a fuck. What nigga think? I got videos to make. I got videos to shoot for YouTube and all that, bro. Yeah. Bro, drinking beer is my go-to. I don't know. If people think, oh, don't drink beer is gonna be that thing. Yeah, I drink beer. Fuck. Today's vlog is gonna be titled. I gotta think of the title. When I think yeah. I'm gonna think of a title. Video. Yeah. I'm gonna think of a title like I just went to this car crash in Las Vegas. I just went to the POVs gonna be probably different though. So my title, my POV might be like he tried to offer me some dinner in his car for to pay for it. Bro, I'm good at that. Bro, don't waste your money on food, bro. Very important. I ain't got time for that. Bro, that girl, but she blocked my ass too. Fuck her. Knowledge. My niggas be on bullshit on everybody. What's he doing, man? Alright, fella. Hey, to be honest though, I just be vibing. I need to buy a new charger though, so yeah. Back in his way. What make it over here? The POV is gonna be long. I don't know. Like, I record my videos, I document stuff. I don't know if my video is gonna be like 40 minutes long or 50 minutes long. So it depends. Cause I edit at the same time now. So first off, right, I make long ass videos. I'm a YouTuber, vlogger, editor, and I'm a music person who vibes and work out. So. And by the way, though, just so y'all know, I make videos also. So, yeah, this might be the end of the vlog for now. I gotta go to Walmart. I'm going to the last couple of the Walmart. But yeah, we got what we needed. That part started. Now, back to the vibe. This is my last break on Wednesday from DoorDash. I'm going back to going DoorDash. Cool. I'm gonna pull up our neighborhood. Go ahead. Alright, Phil. Let's see. Okay, Cole has a big ass booty. Low key though. The girls from Chicago are built different. I'm not putting on these straws with a hole in them. Alright. Today's gonna be the end of the vlog for today. Going back to the POV because I gotta shoot for 2 more shots bike channel. So, yeah. Catch y'all later for this vlog. I'm gonna get to the POV. Yeah. But yeah. Last clip of the vlog. Taylor's pissed off. She said somehow to make me mad, I'm gonna punch you. Do something right in person. Bet you wanna come to America and do it then. Fuck you, man. First off, I'm not on that bullshit. I'm on that bullshit with no nigga for it. Alright, bro. Taylor think I'm scared of her ass. Nigga, you Canadian, nigga. I'm American. Fuck you gonna do? Start off when I punch you. Bet you wanna do it in person for real. Fuck you mean. Bro, this is what I mean. You literally got caught multiple times, bro. Yeah. Now see why Canadians try to act tough when they're girls from Canada. That's funny. So, now first off, if one of my homies punched Stalker in the head after she put her hand, so she gets choked out. I'm not laughing though. She might have getting choked out, by the way. I'm not on that joking bullshit with niggas. I'm not playing around. hey, bro. The last time a dog bit my ass and he got his shit rocked, that was literally like a year ago. So, no, 2 years ago. Yeah. So, everything I love, bro. I'm not joking around with girls, bro. She literally talking about she gonna punch me for real. I really want to see you try. You gonna ever get choked out in the chokehold. I'm going back to my liquor. So, alright, y'all. I'm about to end this vlog right now. That was funny. She getting her feelings for real.